You have a website which is running in the local host URL, which is working well in your computer. But if someone wants to see your website in their device, they cannot see it with the local host URL. Why? Because it is running in your local host server. If someone wants to see your project in their device, you need to deploy it in the internet. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to deploy your project in Vercel so you can share the URL to anyone in the internet. Where we are going to deploy our website in Vercel. Vercel is a free service that puts your website in the internet, and it will run your server 24 by 7 in internet, so you can share it to anyone in the internet. Before we deploy, we need our website in Vercel. We need to have create git repo first, and in this video I'm going to use this git repo to deploy the project. And this is the project which is running in localhost 5173, and this is the website we are going to deploy. Here you can see the file changes. There are 19 file changes. You can see I'm going to commit it. And I'm going to add these files to stage. Here you can see it is pushing the code to git repo, and it is done. We can see that file changes here. It is added the files here, and now we are going to deploy it in Vercel. And this is the website of Vercel. Here you can see there are this is the UI of the Vercel. First it will ask you to sign up, then we need to sign up. I am going to sign up with GitHub. uh, it will ask some information to sign up. I have done sign up before on this, so it directly given me this UI. I am going to click continue here. Here you can see our Git link. To add our project, we need to click on this add new and click on the project, and it will show it like this. We need to connect it with GitHub, and it will show what are the repos are there in the GitHub. And this is a Git repo that we have just pushed the code, and clicking on import, and this is the project name. We can keep it anything, we can change it also. And here we need to have correct the root directory where our index HTML is there, and I'm going to select this directory. If we have any environment variables, we need to keep it here with keys and values. If we not have, we can ignore it. On clicking on this deploy button, it starts deploying. Here we can see the build logs. and it is deployed. It is showing the congratulations. And if we click on this one, it will be showing our website, and this is the URL it is given to us. So with this URL we can share with anyone in the internet so they can see our website. And this is all about deployment of our project in Vercel.